Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you 5 secret tips to boost your sales on Etsy and get more sales on Etsy in 2023. So let's get started. First of all, I would definitely advise you to first, if you're a new seller or if you're already an experienced seller, make sure to rely on Etsy SEO. As you can see, if we go here and if I, for example, search digital planner, and if I search for it, right, I can basically go here and I can see that we have 300, almost 400,000 results. That means that this is, a lot of competition right here, and that, the lower this number is, the more chances we have of ranking on Etsy SEO. So understanding Etsy SEO is really important in order to start making more money on Etsy, right? Because Etsy is an SEO, it is an SEO tool that allows you to, when someone searches, they will find your your product, right? So as you can see, if we go here and if we type in business cards, or for example, social media templates for realtors or for real estate, if you go here, we can see that we have 9,000 results. That means that this product is really low competition. You can start and you can, this is basically how you can research your keywords, right? So this is number one tip. Make sure that you're researching your keywords. Now, second tip is not really a tip, but it's basically how to research your keywords. Second tip is you need to go to Allura. Allura is great software. It's also free and premium, but we'll use the free features. So as you can see, if we go here to features, we can see that we have keyword finder. So you can basically find keywords that are low competition, and this way you will be able to rank on Etsy faster, and you'll be able to basically get more out of Etsy, right? Because you will basically rank for the keywords, and people will see that and people will buy from you. So as you can see, if we go here to pricing, we can see that you can sign up for free and you have product and keyword research as well as operations and marketing suite for free for $0 a month, right? Now, obviously, if you want to be more experienced, if you want to, have full experience, you go for $30 a month. But definitely for starters, if you have money to buy, $20 is great. Now, let's go to number 3. Tip number 3 is more listings equals more sales. This is what I've experienced. If you have more listings, but more quality listings, you will have more sales. For example, let's go here to this star seller. Star sellers are usually sellers that are, a long time here. As you can see, they have 1.3K sales. So if you go to the, the seller shop here, we can basically see that this shop has a lot of items right here. As you can see, 51 items, right? So the more items you have, the more sales you will usually have. And this is the pattern that I realized when watching a lot of Etsy shops, a lot of successful Etsy shops, right? Now that's number 3. Number 4 is using TikTok and new social media platforms to promote your Etsy listings. Now, what I would do is, if I were you, I would just focus on the one platform at first, because this is a lot of work, right? A lot of work, it's posting on TikTok. So this is basically what a lot of people are doing on, for their Etsy shop. This is a UGC video example. This just means that user created this video. It's a user generated content. So this is what I would do if I were you, if I were posting on Etsy. I would definitely start posting on TikTok user-generated content that I myself create for my shop. As you can see, this is basically a video that represents a customer experience from getting a package to opening a package, and then, from showing the products and reviewing the products. So this is basically what you can do on your TikTok to promote your Etsy store. Now that's number 4, right? You can obviously see the examples on a lot of other Etsy shops as well. But number 5, and the last tip that I can give you, is use Etsy ads and promoted listings on the listings that are already working for you. So let's say this is your listing. Let's say this listing is generating you a lot of money and it's really successful, or the most successful listing in your store. What you can do, you can start promoting it with Etsy ads, right? You can start promoting this listing for $1 a day and then you can, you know, if it works, you can ramp it up to $5 a day, right? So this is basically, you know, how to use Etsy ads into your advantage, right? So make sure that you have a listing that is already, you know, successful. So these are basically 5 different things, you know, or secret tips to boost your sales on Etsy and get more sales on Etsy in 2023. Now, if you have more questions, comment down below and I'll answer them. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.